And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Deluxe Carpet and Upholstery Washer. And it claims here unbeatable cleaning versus leading rentals. What an interesting statement that is. Anyway, let's have a look at the box. We'll swing it around as always. Let's have a bit of a look. Let's see if there's anything of interest on it. Underneath and on top. So let's get into this thing. Nothing else in the box. Let's get that out of the way. And what I'll do is rearrange everything and put it all out, lay it all out, and we'll know exactly what came in the box. Now, this is the box, and as you can see, stain from the leakage. So that's not a good start, as I said earlier. And this is the one that was leaked everywhere, the antibacterial, nothing in it. So that's gone everywhere. Now, apart from that, as you can see, that's what came in the box. We have an instruction manual, and unfortunately it is also damaged, but I've managed to open the pages so we can have a bit of a read and see if there's anything of interest. And as always, you can pause at any time if there's anything of interest that you want to read. Pretty easy assembly instructions. And there's the cleaning formulas telling you how to work them. It's a bit sad that I've got to actually go out and buy some more just to test out to see if it's any good. That's sort of a bit of a demerit point for it. And we're nearly at the back of the book. And there we go, that's the last page. So, that's the instruction manual. So it'll be interesting to test this stuff out. We've got, what was that, Oxy Boost. So yeah, add the formula. Yeah, very funny that is. I'll have to get some. And we got Wash and Protect. Was it Pro Stain and Odour? So we'll be definitely putting this little review off a little bit longer until I can get some more antibacterial suds to test out. We've got, as you can see, all the other bits and pieces that came in the box itself. So I'll just assemble everything and we'll just wait for the liquid to arrive, or I might go and buy some at the supermarket if I can, and we'll continue with the review. Now I'm about to fit the handle onto here. As you can see, I've just taken this little plastic piece that came and you plug it into there. This has got a little bit of cardboard you take off. There's a screw, as you can see, fitted on the top here, so you just cut that bit of tape, get into it. So as you can see, pretty straightforward. I just pop this in. Which way does it go? That way, is it? Yep, let's pop that in and find where the hole is in there. Might help if I let it drop in position first. There we go, that's better. And position and screw in. So that's it, better than that. I'm right-handed and I'm screwing from the wrong side, so there we go. So that's it, pretty straightforward, easy to do. And that's all you've got to do, make certain it's solid. You've got top and bottom area here where you actually wind your lead around. We have this little container contraption here, and that should just pop in position. The cord wraps around these two little holders, which makes it nice and convenient for storage, and of course moving it around the house itself as needed. Inside the little bag, which is this one, storage bag, we have this little device here, which is the pet stain tool, and as you can see, got a bit of a couple of cones in there, a bit of bristles, and that should hopefully remove any stains as required. This one here is an upholstery cleaner, so again we'll have a bit of a play with some of that. Then we got this thing here, and this is the nozzle clean out tool. We've got brush roll hair remover, so not quite certain how that works. We'll find that out as well. A little measuring cup, so that's there. And of course we've got the upholstery hose or pet nozzle or stain nozzle or whatever you want to call it. And this is pretty straightforward. You simply lift this little piece here and it slots into position. And to release, you just press a button and lift out again, so that's quite handy. The other end, which is way down here, knocking things around, and let's see how that goes. That just simply fits in, snaps in position. Yeah, finally worked out how to release it. That little button there, if you press that, separates. On the top here, this release actually takes out the clear plastic top on it. And of course we've got the steam nozzle on the side here, so it's an interesting little tool. It seems to rotate as well, so not certain how good it is, but we'll find out, won't we? And this is the room that we're hoping to do a clean. As you can see, we've got all sorts of things all over the place. There's stains, quite a few of them. It looks like there could be silly putty perhaps there. I'm not certain what it is. Something there, solid. More putties and things. So we've got there's a bit of red stuff there. So we got ourselves quite a task, it looks like, cleaning up this room. Let's get into it again, vacuum it up and see what we've got. Now, I think you can definitely see where I've worked and where I haven't worked. It's quite remarkable, and I'm quite impressed, I must admit. It is going through a lot more liquid than I expected, but the room is very dirty and it does need a very good clean. And as you can see from the amount of dirty water, it's done a good job. And you can already just see the little area around here, it's cleaned up quite nice. And this is what the room looks like after I've run the Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Deluxe Carpet Cleaner around. It's a mouthful and a half. And of course the spot cleaner worked well. I got down, I had to get a bit of a scrubbing brush and clean the area a little bit harder, and it came up, as you can see, got rid of the stain. Overall, works quite well. Hopefully you've learned something from the video. If you have, consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever, doesn't matter. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that as well. Anyway, all the very best. Hope to catch you on the next video. Take care. Till then, bye.